Hi everyone. So in this video, I just want to talk about the 3 mistakes that I have done in my first year of college. So definitely I feel this video will be helpful for you. So before going to this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video as well and share it with your friends. So in first year of college, everyone will be in a mindset of going to college, attending classes, or chilling out with friends, or getting good CGPA, or let's say passing through all the semesters. So that's how the typical mindset will be. So in that cycle, we just forgot to explore ourselves. We just forgot to try out new things. So even I had the same mindset, but now I'm just feeling regret to not doing some of the things. In that, number one is surrounding with good friends and as well as networking. So you should try to network with more people. So networking in the sense connecting with your seniors, so connecting with professors, so that in future definitely they will help you, and also you can just gain a lot of knowledge from them. So definitely you may ask, if you are in a type 3 college, so definitely there will be less people who are just doing good work, right? You can't able to find more number of people. You can't able to find that alumni, right? So in such scenario, what you can just do is just try to utilize LinkedIn to network with more people, to network with different people, and attending conferences, asking seniors for help. So you can just do all these things to improve your network. So this is one such thing, like that is making good friends and networking with more number of people. And number 2 is doing internships. So definitely if we are in a first year of college, if it is from a tier 3, definitely we will be having a mindset of we will just concentrate on placement at the final year, or let's say at a third year maybe, right? So that's wrong. So definitely you should start doing internships from your first year of college. So you should try different things. So definitely if we are in a good college, or let's say some IITs or NITs, definitely the culture will be different. So all the people will be concentrating on doing projects, doing startups, doing internships. So all of them will be in a same kind of mindset. But if we are in a, let's say some type 3 college, the mindset will not be like that. So even I am from type 3 college. Even I didn't start doing internships from my first year. So that's one of the thing which I feel regret. So we'll be more focusing on CGPA, getting good marks. So we are in that comfort zone. So we are not coming out of that. So that's one thing that you should focus. So if you are planning to go for masters, then you can just concentrate on your CGPA. Otherwise, it's fine to sacrifice your CGPA to learn good things, right? To do some amazing work like doing internships, etc. Right? At last, if you just come to a final year, they won't care about how much CGPA you just have. Like they will just ask you whether you have around 60 to 70%, or let's say whether you cleared all the subjects or not. So that's what they care about. They don't care about whether you just got 9 or 9.5 CGPA. So that's one thing. Like, so stop focusing more on CGPA, start doing internships. Number 3, explore new things. So definitely we will be having a lot of freedom. We will be having a lot of free time in our first year of college. So do new stuff, develop new skills, do video editing, learn some trending technologies, or let's say start doing freelancing, develop new skills. It may be graphic designing, or let's say if you are interested in coding, or let's say dancing, singing. Just explore new things so that you can just find your passion. So that's also one of the important thing. Even now I just hear from my friends saying that I don't find a passion, so I don't know what I should do. So definitely when you just come to final year, definitely you will be having a family pressure, like you should get a job, you should settle soon. Like that, we used to have that kind of pressure from our family, right? And also from our circle, like everyone is getting placed. So definitely we'll be having that kind of pressure. So what you can just do is, so definitely in the first year, you won't be having such pressure, right? You will be having a lot of freedom. You will be having a lot of free time. So utilize that time to explore new things, learning new things, doing new stuff. So these are the 3 things that I just felt not doing in my first year of college. So I hope these 3 points which I just explained, which I just shared in this video will be useful for you. Like number 1 is networking, and number 2 is start doing internships, and at number 3 is exploring new things. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So what things you are just feeling regret not doing in your college? So just feel free to comment down below. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful. So with that, I will just see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.